I am going to do now Chinese assorted delicacy. So we will see how it is done and what is being happening here while I am doing. Now I am going to do the omelettes. 2 eggs I have taken here, 2 eggs, and I will be using the seasoning into this. Salt, pepper, and a little, if you want a little, chili powder, just a little. Omelettes, a little bit of oil I put. Just making a omelette, plain omelette. We are not going to turn to the other side also. Once the omelette is made, I am not turning the other side, so we will just take it off. I am not turning the other side, it is only on one side we are cooking, and only pepper and salt we have used here. This meat, mince meat I have taken here. Into this mince meat I am putting finely chopped ginger and garlic, pepper, salt, a bit of turmeric, chili pieces. You can use a little chili powder and a little cumin seed, which I am using. I have taken about 100 grams of raw mince meat and I need a little butter. I am taking this mince meat, only on one side, and roll this, and I put it on the oil paper, tightly roll it. Like a toffee, you roll it nicely and keep it ready. Now the balance mince meat which I have got it, I will make it into small balls. Now what I am going to do is chicken. Cut into small pieces, no bones. Put a little coriander, cumin seed, chili pieces, turmeric, salt, pepper, and the chili powder. There is water at the bottom, you can see, steaming. Put this into the steamer, and the balls, meatballs, and the chicken pieces marinated nicely. All this, what are we going to do now? We are going to steam it, right? So all that is there. I am going to steam for 25 minutes. After steaming, we will see what's happening. We will close it now and steam this, okay? Once it is steamed, you can see, you take these out one by one, the omelettes and even the chicken all got pasted together. We'll break it up, and the meatballs, the omelettes. And the chicken also, I am just breaking it all together. We steamed, so it has got joined together. Now the delicacy to do, cabbage only I am putting at the beginning. Cabbage, we need a bigger quantity of cabbage, so the cabbage is put first. Then I need red pepper, capsicum, and we will put the tomatoes later. mushroom, onions. There is no tempering here now. We are going to add all this together. Salt, pepper, turmeric, a little chili pieces, cumin seed powder, and I prefer this coriander powder also, and I am putting the chicken stock. Now what I am going to do is green peas, chili paste. I will use the meatballs, chicken. No tempering, I said. There is no tempering is done here. Mix all this together. Let it get nicely boiled. Now I am putting the noodles. Noodles also we need only about 100 grams. We don't need a bigger quantity also. Noodles are not boiled like pasta. What we have to do is pour boiling water on the noodles, cover and keep for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, nicely wash in running water for the starch to go off, and then we take this and use it. These little cut pieces I'll put first. This I am going to use it last. Tomatoes, if you like. 2 cups of stock I have put, chicken stock. See the stock is still there. It has to simmer. Till it simmers we have to keep. And now I will use the omelettes. You can see there's a little bit of the stock. Allow it to simmer nicely. Now I am going to dish it out. When I dish it out into a plate, just keep a spoon first, otherwise it will crack, because straight from the cooker I am going to put this, so you have to be very careful. Spring onions, while it is hot itself, you put the spring onions, finely chopped spring onions. The Chinese delicacy which I have done, I hope you will enjoy, because this is something different to the normal preparation, and we enjoy preparing different type of preparation. I hope you will enjoy and have a nice day, and hope to see you next week, and bye from me now.